Welcome to Colorful Cute Kids Channel.
Hello everyone and welcome to the Colorful Cute Kids Channel. Today we are going to drawing and coloring cute cupcakes for kids and toddlers. Let's start drawing. Start with the first cupcake. Draw its cup, then draw its cake with a cherry on top. Then draw melted cream. Draw a cute face for this cupcake, cute eyes and smiling mouth. Now, let's draw the second cupcake, HMM. What does this cake look like? I continue with a cream part and to mint leaves. Finally, with a cute face. Now I draw the third cupcake. On the top of the cake, I draw a cherry. Then I draw its face with cute eyes and a smiling mouth. Start the fourth cupcake with the cup part. Then I draw the cream part on the top of this cupcake. I drew a biscuit. To make this cupcake more beautiful, I draw a cute face. Now let's draw the fifth cupcake. Draw a cute face for this cupcake. I draw the last cupcake. Now let's start coloring. First, I use this dark yellow marker to paint the cake cups. Then I color cherries with red. Green for 2 mint leaves. Brown. I use cream and brown to paint the first cupcake. color the second cupcake light green. Cream for the third cupcake. I used rainbow colors to paint this part. Light purple. Light brown. Great job! If you like this video, please like this video and subscribe to the channel. See you in the next video. Goodbye.